Are you looking for the best icon packs for Android? If yes, then here in this video I'm gonna talk about the top 7 best icon packs for Android that you need to try. So let's see in this video. These apps can easily be found in the Google Play Store, so you can simply go to your Google Play Store and install it in your device. The first app is Icon. If you are a dark and contrasted theme lover, then this app may be best for you. The icons in this app are circular and also more dark and contrasted. You can easily apply it to your device. That makes your device looks more standard. And the next app is charcoal free. This app changes the icon to fully dark and may be suitable to you if you are black and white lover. You can even set the wallpapers in accordance with the icons. So I recommend you to try this for once. The next app is Delta. The Delta presents the icon with colorful and attractive icons. You can check them out and apply it to your device. Next app is Viral. This app presents the icon with fully colorful and also more beautiful. The wallpapers are also provided over here in accordance with the icon. So you can also install and try this once and apply it to your device. After that, the next app is Aura. This presents the icon in a colorful way, which you may also like. Here also you can change the wallpaper in accordance with the icon. So I recommend you guys to try this once in your Android device. And the next app is Mio. Mio provides the icon with less colorful but is still beautiful. It also provides you with wallpapers in accordance with the icons. It makes your home screen look more attractive. You can also try this. And the last and the final app is Flight Light. This app is totally different than others. It presents the icon with letters and symbols. It also provides you with the wallpapers in accordance with the icons. So I recommend you to try this app once in your Android device. So these are the top 7 best icon packs for Android that you need to try. So I hope this video was helpful. Comment down below which app you like the most. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Hope to see you guys in the next video.